Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sharon Cole. If you're new here, you're so welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to join my family. So today guys, I want to share with you how I did my thick eyebrow looks and also how I did my eyeshadow. I'm not good at doing the eyeshadow, but I tried my best today and I just want to share with you guys. Hope you enjoy watching. Before I start drawing, I usually go in with some powder. This is the Fit Me powder. And here, this side. Then I just comb the eyebrow with my spoolie. Then you make sure your eye pencil is sharp. Then after drawing, you just fill it, you just continue filling in. That's how I draw. I like drawing thick eyebrows because I have too much eyebrow hair, so I'll go in with my spoolie. Next, we're going to use this Dimacol as our concealer, just a little bit. Yeah. Next, I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetic eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use this, how is it called? It's called the Hipster. Then I'll go in with my eye mascara. So this is what I do with my eyebrows, because I have thick eyebrow hair and I normally don't like trimming them all the time. So sometimes I just go in with the broad eyebrow looks. So that is it guys. So I'm gonna finish up with my whole face, then I'll show you the final looks. Thank you so much for watching guys, and let's meet on my next video. Bye guys.